Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Pharmacology MBBS. Begin by outlining a study plan focused on systems and high-yield drugs. Then collect one core textbook and one concise review book. Set weekly goals, and create a daily active recall routine with spaced repetition and practice questions to reinforce mechanisms, adverse effects, and indications for each drug class. Use varied study techniques to boost mastery. Make succinct one-page charts for each drug class, employ spaced repetition daily for mechanisms and side effects, and explain concepts aloud to mimic teaching. Integrate practice MCQs under timed conditions weekly, review mistakes thoroughly, and link pharmacology to physiology and pathology for context. This approach builds durable understanding and exam confidence through regular active practice and integration. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: make study days easier with leak-proof meal prep containers that keep lunches fresh and reduce cleanup, perfect for long library sessions. I find they save time so you can focus on reviews between breaks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Tie pharmacology to clinical practice by mapping drugs to diseases and real patient scenarios, which helps you remember indications and contraindications. Prioritize mechanisms that explain both therapeutic effects and toxicities, and work through case-based questions to apply knowledge. Discuss tricky drugs with peers or seniors, and simulate prescriptions to learn dosing and monitoring, making your pharmacology knowledge practical and patient-centered.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.